Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Cashew, the expense and budget tracker app. Let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Google Play Store and search for Cashew Expense Budget Tracker, and you want to hit install. Once it's done, you have to tap open to launch the app. Then once you open the first open Cashew, you'll see an option to try the demo. Now this gives you a preview of how the app works before adding your own data. It's super helpful if you're just getting started. So let's go ahead and hit preview demo, activate, wait for it for a bit. And then once it's done loading, you want to head to the transaction page. There we go. And you'll see all your expenses like groceries, entertainment, or coffee. To add a new one, just tap the plus button and give it a title, any title you want. Pick a category, and even set details like whether it's recurring, borrowed, or linked to a specific budget. Next is the budget section. To go here, you want to go back and click budgets. Here you can set monthly limits for things like food, travel, or saving goals. Just go ahead and tap the edit button at the top right or the plus button to add a new budget, like so. Finally, under more tab, you'll find settings, your spending summary, accounts, categories, and even a calendar to track income and transfers. This is where you can fully customize Cashew to fit your lifestyle. And that's it. With Cashew, you can track expenses, set budgets, and stay on top of your financial goals, all from one app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more finance apps. Thanks for watching.